Excuse me. The whole me. Excuse me.
Very, very short explanation for why hiccups are a thing.
I
How do
didn't
you have
hear a
hiccups?
single thing that you just said.
That's fine. Nah,
What
it's
do you
okay.
have hiccups? I don't know. Where do you have hiccups? Why do you have
Why?
hiccups? Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
I
Where?
don't know.
When?
I don't know, man.
Who the
You
fuck
should
is
really
that?
get them
Oh, it's my
checked.
friend. I sent the request, I think.
Oh my god.
I have an ad. Excuse me, again. Okay, let's watch it.
Hi, Teeny.
Excuse me. You're gonna load in right now? Say less. Are you actually? No, Lunar. I'm not. I'm just drinking. How are you? Like, I just won't remember if I'm being completely honest. You were filming a wedding for 13 hours?
33 a cry, Pepe.
Why was my purple box so much cooler? Excuse me. Have we had hiccups? No. No, I have not, Eddie. Exactly. Hi, Vaughn.
You know what I'm saying? He said he needed somebody to be there, and I needed somebody to be there. And we had each other, regardless if it was Tyler or you or
We
not.
can be
We had
friends.
each other at the end of the day. And
Like,
I
we
love
always
it.
Can you
do.
follow me
And I
for
love
the
that.
Sims?
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and more
And
time,
game.
like we could still
And
be
Sims.
friends. I do hate that it's not clean, but it is what it is.
We've never been two hopefuls hook up. An identical twin.
Everybody in Hawaii is.
You know what I mean? 3! What the fuck? Justin, thank you so much for the Excuse me. And like, I'm burping still. I just hiccup burped. I do love talking to people. Does anyone want to talk on Discord? Lincoln, I just met you. I'm scared. Excuse me. Fuck. Fuck. I'm not hiccuping. I'm so sorry, I'm burping. Excuse me. I don't know what Skyfall is.
Well, Mrs. Wadley helped a little. Jesus helped a lot.
It's so hot.
Oh, it's so hot. My burp.
Yeah. Why do you have the hiccups? Love right na na na. Love right na na na. Love right na na na.
Excuse me. Okay, I need either your phone or my phone. Something to take a picture.
This isn't where we are. Hold up. Why do you have the hiccups? Pink dolphin? I forgot. Someone told me to say that.
Oh, they're
Or pink elephant. What the hiccups?
Can you take pictures of each of these for me? I'm shaking. Come on. I'm shaking. Shit. Shit. I go home on Friday.